Okay. Rather than guns, not really much place you'd want to break down. Hills of Kentucky. Watch. 30 out 6. That didn't go off. It's going to be loud enough. That's why I'm standing here, safely, on the other side of the road. There's Gino. Papa. You can barely see him. But you know what's behind me? No, straight from there. Now I gotta pee. This thing's gonna be so loud. It's gonna be awesome! Okay, YouTube, this is getting really annoying. Oh, here we go.